Midjourney is one of the most popular AI image generators, letting you create stunning artwork in seconds. I'll guide you through the basics. Head over to their website and sign up in the bottom right corner. You can use it over Discord or use it on your web browser. If you're new to Midjourney, start with a web version. It offers a straightforward interface with fewer distractions compared to Discord. You can move to Discord once you're comfortable and want more control over community interactions and sharing options. You'll land on the Explore tab. This is designed to inspire you, showing the endless possibilities of what you can create. Click Join now to see available plans. Midjourney offers plans ranging from basic to pro, each catering to different needs. Fast generation takes around 10 to 20 seconds per image, while relaxed generation may take longer since they run on a shared queue. Choose the basic or standard plan for personal use, and standard or pro if you're creating for commercial purposes. You can save cost just by waiting a bit more for your images. Now let's create an image together. Pick an inspiration like a character, and then click Use Prompt. Make any changes you'd like. Now Midjourney will generate 4 variations of each prompt. Choose the version that best fits your vision, then use the option to customize further. Be as detailed as possible in your prompt for better control over the final outcome. A vague prompt leaves a lot to Midjourney's creative license. But if you specify detailed, you'll get closer to your vision. Mention the specific colors, the angle, or scene to narrow down Midjourney's interpretation. You can choose your image size, set the mode, and select which Midjourney version to use. Personalization settings become available once you rank a certain number of images, helping tailor results to your aesthetic. Set RAW mode if you're using highly detailed prompts. For beginners, leave it to standard for more AI optimization. Stylization adjusts how artistic Midjourney's interpretation is. Setting it to 0 gives you a raw look, while 1000 brings out highly stylized artistic results. Weirdness is where the real fun begins. It's perfect for open prompts to create unexpected avant-garde outcomes. Test different levels to find the balance that matches your creative vision. If time is a factor, switch to turbo mode, which generates images up to 4 times faster, but consumes more subscription time. You can also combine images or set styles and character references to influence your prompts. This is popular among digital artists who use Midjourney as a base for their concept art or unique visuals.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.